The American Math Competitions, more commonly known as the AMC, is the most competitive and important math examination for middle and high schoolers all over the world. It also acts as a gateway to more prestigious and selective math competitions like the AIME and the IMO. So how do these competitions work, and how can you advance to the next level? There are 3 different tests in the AMC. For high schoolers, there are 2 tests you are allowed to take, the AMC 10 and the AMC 12. Any student in the 12th grade or under may take the AMC 12, but only students in grades 10 or under may take the AMC 10. These 2 competitions are mostly the same, but the AMC 12 sometimes introduces more advanced topics like logarithms. Both of these competitions have 25 questions and 75 minutes to complete them all. There are 5 answer choices in each question. The scoring works in a specific way. Every correct answer is 6 points. Every question left blank is 1.5, and every wrong answer is 0. This makes the max score possible 150 points. For both the AMC 10 and the AMC 12, there are 2 competitions held on separate dates, denoted as A and B. One is not necessarily harder than the other, and both can get you into the next level of competition. It is okay to take part in both the A and the B competitions. If you get a good score on the AMC 10 or 12, you can advance to the American Invitational Math Examination. This is more commonly referred to as the AIME or AIME. The top 2.5% of AMC 10 scores are guaranteed a spot in the AIME, but there's also another cutoff score, allowing around the top 7% of total AMC 10 competitors to get a spot in the AIME. Similarly, the top 5% of AMC 12 scores are guaranteed a spot in the AIME, but the cutoff score allows around 15% of top scores to qualify. To have a competitive shot at AIME, you should aim for a score of around 115 on the AMC 10 and 105 on the AMC 12. Now let's discuss what the AIME is. The AIME is significantly more difficult than the AMC 10 and 12. The AIME consists of 15 challenging questions that must be completed in 3 hours. There are no multiple choice questions, and every answer is between 0 and 999. Every correct answer gives you 1 point, and a wrong answer gives you no points, so the max score is 15 points. Similar to how there are 2 versions of the AMC 10 and 12, there are 2 versions of the AIME 1 and the AIME 2. US students take the AIME 1, but if you can't make the date, you can take the AIME 2. International students take the AIME 2 as well. From the AIME, around 11% of competitors qualify for the next round of competition. For AMC 12 takers, this is the USAMO, the USA Mathematical Olympiad. For AMC 10 takers, this is the USAJMO, the USA Junior Mathematical Olympiad. To qualify for the USAMO or the USAJMO, you need a good USAMO index. This is calculated by your AMC 10/12 score plus 20 times your AIME score. There is no exact score that guarantees a spot in the USAJMO, especially because the MMA, which is the non-profit that organizes all these math competitions, has changed the scoring rules for the 2026 competition season. The USAJMO and USAMO competitions have a very different format compared to the AIME and the AMC. These competitions are proof-based. Instead of just providing an answer, you have to explain how you came up with that. These explanations are graded on a scale from 0 to 7. The competition takes place over 2 days. Every day, you get 4.5 hours for 3 questions. In total, there are 6 questions, allowing 42 total points. Top scorers in the USAMO and USAJMO can win bronze, silver, and gold medals. The top 60 competitors in both these competitions can qualify for the Mathematical Olympiad program, or the MOP. This is a 3-week, highly intensive summer program. During this time, the students are further assessed, and eventually, 6 top students are chosen. These 6 students will go on to represent the U.S. team in the IMO, or the International Math Olympiad. The IMO is the most prestigious math competition in the whole entire world. The IMO has a format identical to that of the USAMO and USAJMO. 6 questions over 2 days, 4.5 hours a day, 42 total points. It is important to note that calculators are not allowed for any of the competitions mentioned above. Winners of this math examination can get the prestigious IMO bronze, silver, and gold. These people go on to get accepted into elite universities like MIT and Stanford, and over half of them get a PhD. All of the competitions listed above are mainly for high schoolers, but middle schoolers are allowed to participate. Though they can participate, it is incredibly tough for them to advance, even to the AIME. So unless you're Terrence Tao and win IMO when you're still 12, it's best to participate in middle school specific math competitions. The most famous middle school math competition is the AMC 8. Anyone in the 8th grade or below is allowed to take the exam, even elementary students. The AMC 8 covers topics like number theory, combinatorics, algebra, and geometry. It consists of 25 questions, and you have 40 minutes to answer them all. All the questions are in a 5-option multiple choice format. Each question is worth 1 point, and there are no deductions. If you are not a high schooler yet, the AMC 8 is the best way to go. Unlike the AMC 10 and 12, there is no direct competition that comes after the AMC 8. Instead, you can participate in other national level competitions like the MOMS and the Math Counts. These competitions can help you prepare for the high school AMC. Thanks for listening, and make sure to subscribe.